Good morning, everybody. Today, I, Tapasar Gupta, am going to take a new chapter, that is Gender, English practice book, Standard 4. Today, we will do Unit 2, that is Gender. What do you know gender? Gender means ling. For example, man, woman, boy, girl, etc. There are how many types of genders do you know? There are 4 types of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, neutral gender, and common gender. 4 types of genders. Okay. What is masculine gender? Masculine gender refers to male. Okay. For example, man, boy, horse. Okay. Now, what is called feminine gender? Feminine gender refers to female person. Example, lady, woman, then hen, etc. Then what do you mean by common gender? Common means parent, teacher, doctor, etc. Now, what do you mean by neutral gender? Neutral gender means lifeless things, inanimate object, pencil, copy, pen, etc. So today we will see Unit 2 of English practice book of Standard 4. Here we will see. We refer to worksheet 1. You see, the following persons, animals have got separated from their partners. Draw lines to match the partners. Author, what is the answer? Author, authoress. Actor, actress. Landlord, landlady. Horse, mare. Peacock, peahen. Hero, heroine. Sir, madam. Wizard, we know what is wizard? Zadugar. Magician, wizard. Then the answer witch. So author, actor, landlord, horse, peacock, hero, sir, wizard. All these are masculine names. Heroine, man, peahen, witch. Then authoress. Then mare, landlady, actress. All these are feminine. All these are feminine genders. Now we come to worksheet number 2. The names of some persons or animals are given below. Write N if they are of the masculine gender and F if they are of the feminine gender. Write the name of the opposite gender in the space provided. Take words from the 8 box. Bride. What is the bride's female? Bride's male. Bridegroom. Okay. What's bride? Bride is male or female? Bride is female. What is the opposite? Bridegroom. Host. Host is male. What will be the opposite gender? Hostess. Master. What is master? It is male. What is the opposite of master? Mistress. Duke. It is male. What is the opposite gender? Duchess. Cow. Cow is what? Female. Feminine gender. And what is the opposite of cow? Ox or bull. Queen. Queen, male or female? Female. What is the opposite? King. Bitch. What is bitch? Bitch is feminine gender. What is the opposite? dog. Empress. What is empress? Masculine gender, feminine gender? Feminine. What is the opposite? Empress, emperor. Horse. Horse, which gender? It is masculine gender. Got it? Refers to male. What is the opposite? Male. Peacock. Peacock, what? Male or female? Male. What is the opposite? Peahen. Now we'll do. Remember, dear students, some names are common for both the genders, that's male or female. They can be used for both males and females. They are called common gender, for example, child, doctor, teacher, etc. Now, complete the names of the following persons, animals, and write whether they belong to the male, female, common gender. A person who paints is a painter. So painter, it is common noun. It may be male or it may be female also. A child without parents is called an orphan. O-R-P-H-A-N. It may be a boy or a girl. So it is also called common gender. Third, a person who lives in the house next to yours is your neighbor, padosi. Neighbor may be both male or female. It is common gender. Your father's dad is your grandfather. Grandfather is male, masculine gender. The opposite gender of a horse is a mare. It is feminine gender. The opposite gender of nephew is niece. N-I-E-C, niece. Niece is feminine gender. The person who teaches us is a teacher. He may be son or she may be man. Okay? So it is common gender. Now, my dear students, whatever we discussed in the class today, you do it in the homework copy. Okay? You may write in the homework copy, exercises, gender. And this one, complete the story that the students narrated. This one, you do it yourself, and in the next class we will discuss it. Okay? So, in a nutshell, just I want to make a brief recap. What is gender? Gender denotes whether the person is male, female, or whether it is common gender or neutral gender. So there are 4 types of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neutral gender. So this is for today. Okay, we will discuss in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.